Let's talk the currency now, where the rupee has hit a one-week lows today, touching a low at 61.82 to the dollar before recovering marginally on the closing there. Still 0.25% on the lower side at the day's shut shop, and this comes on account of strong dollar, which has gained significantly ahead of the US non-farm payroll data today. Well, with the US dollar index touching 79 in the markets, the basket of currencies, and hopes that the Fed may further delay its tapering has helped boost emerging market currencies in the recent weeks. Let's listen to Peter McQuire on his view on the emerging markets.
Those emerging markets, the Brazils, the China, the India, the Russia, they've had fairly volatile times, stock market-wise and, of course, economically. And I think that those economies are starting to probably tail back a little bit. And that's been very evident over the last, 9 to 12 months. And I'm sure that you're going to see, a resurgence for those economies come probably, mid-14 to 15.
All right. Also, let's get Pramit Brahmbhatt, who is CEO Alpari Financial Services. He joins us live on the show as well. Pramit, hi. What's your sense now coming in for the currency? There's lots happening in the international markets. A major data is awaited. Ahead of that, how would you look at the rupee reacting to?
Hi. It seems that market is waiting for this news to come. As the US tapering has been put on the back seat, market is waiting that how the US economy is recovering and how the employment data is going to come out, because the US is considering the employment data as a key indicator to cut down the QE3, and then they will start the tapering. So it seems that the market is waiting for this data. After the fiasco of the budget and US shutdown, the US dollar has been weakened over the period, and now it seems that the dollar has been bottomed out at this point of time. So any good news coming out of the employment data will help dollar to come back and get stronger against the global currencies.
Pramit, while we have seen, let's call it consolidation perhaps, but 60.80, 60.90 continues to be a resistance. Do you see rupee passing through that?
60.80 is a key level at this point of time. That's what we have witnessed. And if you look at the dollar depreciation or rupee appreciation, it seems like that it has reached dollar has reached the bottom out at the level of late 60, early 61, and maybe we can consider this will be a new bottom for dollar in coming terms, somewhere around 60, mid 60, late 60 as a new support level for the dollar, and we'll see that dollar is going to get very strong resistance at around this level. And at this point of time, it seems that the dollar has been bottoming out, as I said, globally is going to get stronger against rupee, and we can see if any good data comes out of US, rupee can move towards 63 level.
Vijay, what's your sense now? Because you have been also saying that 60.5 would be an important level to break perhaps. Would you see further declines from these levels?
Manisha, I think the scope for appreciation in the rupee is now fairly curtailed, and we are also heading into the expiry of the prompt month futures. I think barring those expiry-related volatility, my guess is if you were to see the rupee USD INR rather available at 61 or sub-61 levels in the November futures series, I think you should go out and buy it, because the technical correction that was due in the dollar after it hit 69 plus level seems to be nearing its end, and a pullback rally, I would still maintain my view up to 63.75 to 64.5 is in the offing.
All right, so we are on the same page then. Pramit and Vijay both feel that the rupee can see some depreciation from here. 63 is the level they are watching out for.